The Pattaya Floating Market is a massive, immersive, water-based experience that brings together the diverse cultures, architectural styles, and unique flavors of Thailand's four main regions: the North, Northeast, Central, and South, into one single sprawling destination. Located directly on Sukhumvit Road, approximately 12 kilometers from the heart of central Pattaya, this market offers visitors an exceptionally authentic atmosphere through its network of wooden walkways, bridges, and interconnected canals. As soon as you step inside the complex, you are transported away from the modern urban environment and into a world of traditional Thai charm, where you can lose yourself among hundreds of stalls displaying exquisite traditional Thai crafts, handmade souvenirs, unique textiles, and specialized local products from across the kingdom. The most iconic and popular activity here is undoubtedly the traditional longtail boat tour, which remains the absolute best way to truly feel the authentic spirit of the market. During this leisurely boat ride, you can glide through the canals, shopping directly from vendors who paddle their wooden boats alongside yours, or simply observe the bustling trade that has defined Thai river life for centuries. Beyond the shopping, the market is a literal paradise for food enthusiasts. You absolutely cannot leave without tasting the most beloved dishes of local Thai cuisine: authentic pad Thai prepared in traditional style, an array of fresh and exotic tropical fruits, various savory snacks, and the world-famous mango sticky rice. These culinary delights are served right from the water, offering a dining experience that is as atmospheric as it is delicious. When planning your visit, the most practical way to reach the market from the Pattaya city center is to book a taxi or rideshare vehicle via the Grab application, which ensures a hassle-free trip. Alternatively, for those seeking a more budget-friendly and local experience, you can flag down the white-colored local Songthao trucks that operate along the main Sukhumvit route. If you are using Google Maps or any other navigation system, be sure to search for Four Regions Floating Market, as this is the official name that will provide you with the most precise directions and arrival times. Regarding the timing of your visit, the best time to explore the area is during the early morning hours or in the late afternoon, specifically when the intensity of the tropical sun begins to fade. Visiting during these cooler windows allows you to explore the vibrant, colorful fabric of the market much more comfortably, while successfully avoiding the sweltering heat of the midday sun. Furthermore, it is crucially important that you carry a sufficient amount of cash in Thai baht during your visit. While some of the larger shops may have facilities for digital payments, the majority of the small, authentic vendors operate exclusively with cash, and you will find that card payments are rarely an option in the heart of the market. Additionally, because the complex is spread across a very large area with extensive boardwalks, wearing comfortable walking shoes is highly recommended, as you will likely spend several hours navigating the wooden pathways. The site is meticulously designed to provide both moments of tranquility and high-energy interaction with a vibrant market culture, making it a rich addition to any Pattaya itinerary. While wandering among the magnificent hand-carved wooden structures, keep an eye out for the scheduled cultural shows. These performances offer a brief but fascinating journey into Thai history and artistry as you watch local performers dressed in elaborate, traditional costumes. Whether you are traveling alone, as a couple, or with your entire family, this destination serves as a perfect bridge between the rich, historic character of Thailand and modern, convenient tourism amenities.